We have news from Tamil Nadu for you now. As Sengotian has joined TVK, Vijay has come out with his first reaction on his journey. Vijay, while speaking to his cadres, has said that Sengotian believed in MGR and joined the movement when he was just 20 years old at a very young age. And Vijay says that he has worked with two tall leaders of AIA DMK and he will be bringing in all that experience to strengthen the TVK. We all know that Sengotian joined the TVK today at the headquarters of TVK party in Chennai in presence of Vijay, and along with him came some other party members who joined TVK, and they were all welcomed by the TVK chief Vijay himself.
20 வயசு இளைஞராக இருக்கும்போதே புரட்சித் தலைவர் எம்ஜிஆர் அவர்களை நம்பி அவங்களுடைய மன்றத்தில் சேர்ந்தவர். அந்த சின்ன வயசுலேயே எம்எல்ஏ என்ற ஒரு பெரிய பொறுப்பை ஏற்றவர். அதுக்கப்புறம் அவருடைய அந்த பயணத்தில் அந்த இயக்கத்தின் இருபெரும் தலைவர்களுக்கு ஒரு பெரிய நம்பிக்கைக்குரியவராக அரசியல் களத்தில் இருந்தவர். இப்படி 50 வருஷமாக ஒரே இயக்கத்தில் இருந்த அண்ணன் செங்கோட்டையன் அவர்கள் இன்றைக்கி அவங்களுடைய அரசியல் அனுபவமும் அவங்களுடைய அந்த அரசியல் களப்பணியும் நம்மளுடைய தமிழக வெற்றி கழகத்திற்கு ஒரு பெரிய உறுதுணையாக இருக்கும் என்ற நம்பிக்கையுடன் இன்றைக்கி அவங்களுக்கும் அவங்களோட இணைந்து பணியாற்ற நம்மளோடு கைகோர்க்கும் அனைவருக்கும் மக்கள் பணியாற்ற வரவேற்கிறேன். நல்லதே நடக்கும், நல்லதே நடக்கும், நல்லது மட்டுமே நடக்கும். வெற்றி நிச்சயம்.
And joining us right now is India Today's Pramod Madhav from TVK headquarters in Chennai, where Sengotian joined TVK. Pramod, you know, it's been a long journey in the past few months only for Sengotian, from, you know, being heaped, from facing disgrace in his party, from facing isolation in his party where he has spent 50 years, to this now. As you can clearly we can see that it's a tough call right now for Pramod while standing over there. But Pramod, do tell us, how has the political transition been for Sengotian right now? So much praises being heaped upon him by TVK chief.
Hello? Yes, it surely is. In fact, you could see right now, like, all kind of preparations are happening, and we are inside the place, which is the Tamilnaga Vechi Kadagam office. And like, as we speak, people who have joined this particular office, they have come together, and we are at the premises. And any time we are expecting Vijay and Sengotian to come to there. That is a place where they have taken this swearing time. He has taken the oath, and also the actual shawl for Tamilnaga Vechi Kadagam. Apparently, he's also been given, and we are waiting for him to meet the press as well. So this is a place where right now Tamilnaga Vechi Kadagam's event is happening currently at this location, and we are also waiting for the leaders of the people to come over here, and actually like every other leaders are coming over here.
I know it is very difficult for you, but you've managed to go inside the place, the headquarters of TVK. Do stay there, try and get us those visuals when you do see Vijay coming in. But we'll quickly give some more information related to this news only.
But surely is, in fact, like right now they are also organizing a program over here where Sengotian is also expected to meet the press, and we are at this spot currently, and once we're like, you know, everybody are coming over here, and already Vijay also has stated that like for the past 50 years, Sengotian has worked for one party and he has garnered so much experience and success, which will be right now used for TVK, and that particular experience is going to become a strength. That is what's being depicted over here, and this after, imagine Sengotian, 3 days the rumor spread, and after that immediately this has occurred where he's joining the party.
Right. Pramod, stay with us. We'll quickly listen to what Vijay said after Sengotian joined the party.
ஒரு 20 வயசு இளைஞராக இருக்கும்போதே புரட்சித் தலைவர் எம்ஜிஆர் அவர்களை நம்பி அவங்களுடைய மன்றத்தில் சேர்ந்தவர். அந்த சின்ன வயசுலேயே எம்எல்ஏ என்ற ஒரு பெரிய பொறுப்பை ஏற்றவர். அதுக்கப்புறம் அவருடைய அந்த பயணத்தில் அந்த இயக்கத்தின் இருபெரும் தலைவர்களுக்கு ஒரு பெரிய நம்பிக்கைக்குரியவராக அரசியல் களத்தில் இருந்தவர். இப்படி 50 வருஷமாக ஒரே இயக்கத்தில் இருந்த அண்ணன் செங்கோட்டையன் அவர்கள் இன்றைக்கி அவங்களுடைய அரசியல் அனுபவமும் அவங்களுடைய அந்த அரசியல் களப்பணியும் நம்மளுடைய தமிழக வெற்றி கழகத்திற்கு ஒரு பெரிய உறுதுணையாக இருக்கும் என்ற நம்பிக்கையுடன் இன்றைக்கி அவங்களுக்கும் அவங்களோட இணைந்து பணியாற்ற நம்மளோடு கைகோர்க்கும் அனைவருக்கும் மக்கள் பணியாற்ற வரவேற்கிறேன். நல்லதே நடக்கும், நல்லதே நடக்கும், நல்லது மட்டுமே நடக்கும். வெற்றி நிச்சயம்.
And let's quickly shift across to the big news coming in right now. It seems the AIADMK is hitting out at Sengotian, their former leader, their former tall leader who has now joined the TVK. AIADMK is saying that Sengotian in TVK has joined it for a selfish cause. Remember, AIADMK had expelled him and now Sengotian is part of TVK and they're calling it selfish. Vijay has meanwhile welcomed AIADMK into TVK and said that he will strengthen the party, but AIADMK says it's a selfish cause.
His personal interests have become larger than the party's interests. His personal welfare has become larger than the party's welfare. So he chose to move forward with another party, which clearly indicates that he has now disowned the ideology, the party symbol which gave him the recognition. So no individual is bigger than a party or a party symbol or party ideology. So it doesn't cost us much. Now the larger liability to carry him on the shoulders have moved to TVK. Good luck for TVK.
Now let's cut across to Pramod Madhav, who continues to be at the TVK headquarters in Chennai. Pramod, AIADMK is calling him selfish. They're saying that he's disowned the party that gave him his identity.
Well, actually, one thing is very clear. They were like, Kovai Satyan, by the way, he addresses this particular issue. It looks like he wants to be the better person, saying like he's wishing good luck for the party. But at the same time, he says that the person wants to be like, he has chosen for his betterment over the party. However, Sengotian is not with AIADMK when he has joined TVK. He has been expelled from the party. So he's not like, moving, leaving the party and coming over here. That's something AIADMK had to explain. But however, it seems like AIADMK has moved on. That's what you could see through Kovai Satyan's speech. Yet, that particular experience, that much amount of years of knowing Tamil Nadu, that is coming over here to join TVK right now, and that's what we could see over here. And in any moment, Sengotian would address the press, where he would go out and explain what exactly happened between himself and Edappadi K. Palaniswamy. That is that he decided, after that being expelled from the party, he wanted to join TVK. Anjali.
Right. Thank you very much, Pramod,